It's very important to learn how to be safe when cooking at home in the kitchen. So today we're going to learn about how to use the claw grip so that you don't cut yourself. Many chefs use the claw grip. Use this technique when cooking at home for a wide range of ingredients. The claw technique encourages a natural hand position. By using your knuckles as a guide, the primary benefit is safety. The claw technique keeps your fingers tucked in, minimizing the risk of accidentally cutting yourself while chopping. By using your knuckles as a guide, you have better control over the knife, allowing for more precise and consistent cuts. As you practice the claw technique, you'll build confidence in your knife skills when cooking in the kitchen. By positioning your fingers correctly, you gain better control over the knife's movement. Holding your knife in a professional grip is the #1 secret in having great knife skills. Many people make the mistake of holding their knife in a hammer grip, which is shown here. Instead, you want to use a professional pinch grip, pinching the blade between your index finger and your thumb, and sometimes your middle finger based on preference. Then you should slightly wrap your ring finger and your pinky finger around the handle of your knife. Using the claw technique and the professional grip will help you to be a wonderful cook in the kitchen.